Ever walk into a casino full of hope and walk out wondering what went wrong? I get it, I've been there myself, but it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'm showing you how to build a winning mindset, so you play smart and, most importantly, keep your shirt. If you like no BS tips for gambling, camping, fish tanks, and more, hit that subscribe button now. Here's the truth. Most players lose because they're already thinking like losers before they even place a bet. A winning mindset? It's not about luck. It's about discipline, strategy, and knowing exactly when to walk away. First up, know the house edge. That's the built-in advantage the casino always has. For example, if you play perfect basic strategy in blackjack, the house edge is about 0.5%. But if you're on the slots, some of those machines take up to 10% of every dollar you put in. The more you play with no plan, the more you feed the house. Next, set a stop-loss limit before you even sit down. Decide exactly how much you can afford to lose, and when it's gone, you're done. Walk away. Professionals never chase losses, and that's the #1 rule of a strong casino mindset. Now let's talk emotion. Emotion is the enemy. The moment you start playing to get even or you let excitement from a win call the shots, you're playing the casino's game, not yours. Slow down, breathe, stick to your plan no matter what. Here's where you get the edge strategy over luck. Games like blackjack, video poker, and even craps, they have real strategy you can learn and use. Forget superstition and gut feelings. That's how casual players turn into consistent winners. Bottom line, a winning mindset is about control, knowledge, and walking out with your confidence and your wallet, not regret. Want more straight-up advice on casino play and beyond? Like this video, drop your casino stories in the comments, and hit subscribe for more No Frills wisdom. See you in the next one. And remember, the house only wins if you let it.